My name is Kaan Esendag and I'm currently a third-year mechatronics student, and I have just completed my individual project, a stroke rehabilitation robot for rehabilitating the wrist of stroke patients. Stroke is a very serious condition. 1 in 5 people have a chance of suffering from a stroke at one point in their life. Even when it doesn't take the patient's life away, it usually leaves them with a major limb impairment. My device helps stroke patients by applying a pronation and flexion motion to their wrists, and it helps them by applying a repetitive task training over the course of 8 weeks and hopefully re-heal their neural linkways. There are many rehabilitation robots, but most of them focus on the upper arm. So my device focuses on the wrist to hopefully rehabilitate their wrist at the same time. And my device is designed as a modular attachment to MYPAM, which is another project developed at the University of Leeds to rehabilitate the upper arm and the forearm parts of the body. So together they will be able to rehabilitate both the wrist and the arm at the same time. We have developed games with the Unity game engine to distract them from the fact that they're training their arm and hopefully provide a form of entertainment. My project mostly focuses on mechanical design of the device using CAD programs such as SolidWorks, as well as designing the whole circuit board and the motor controller on a PCB using Eagle, and also programming the microcontroller that is running MBedOS, as well as coding the Unity game. So the hardest part about the multidisciplinary projects is trying to apply engineering principles at the different topics, but in the end it is all worth it to think that someday something I designed might be used to help someone in need.